and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to unbox jewelry from Reach Your Heart. I'm very excited for another collaboration with them. This was kindly gifted and yeah, I'm very excited to show you the new pieces that I received. If you follow me longer, you know that I received some other jewelry that I'm wearing right now. But this time I got a bracelet and beautiful pair of earrings. So I'm very excited to unbox them with you. And yeah, if you're excited as well, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. So let's see what you get when you order something by Reach Your Heart. I absolutely love their company. I'm wearing their jewelry literally all the time. And they hold up so well. Reach Your Heart is specialized in Moissanite jewelry, and the pieces that I got are genuine Moissanite stones. So you always get a GRA report, a Moissanite report, so you know that these stones are genuine. These two are both from the earrings, because the earrings that I got are more than 4 carat in total, 2 carat each. So you receive a Moissanite report, and you can see here the shape of it, the carat size and all of that, as you can see right here. So this is what it looks like, and you can see in which laboratory they are made. As you can see everything in here, all the information. And yeah, I got 2 of those because, like I mentioned, my earrings are both 2 carat each. And then you also get this little card as well. And the bracelet that I got are also Moissanite gemstones, but they're a bit smaller, so then you won't receive a report. Then you also get a little book from Reach Your Heart with all of their information. So a Moissanite gemstone, like I already mentioned in my previous videos, is a gemstone that is originally found in a meteorite, but is now lab created. And you can also see here the difference between a diamond and a Moissanite. And they are very similar, and a Moissanite gemstone is just very environment friendly, a lot cheaper than a real diamond. And it sparkles even more. It's just absolutely amazing. So yeah, you can find all of that information in here. And then the last thing that you get is a little polishing cleaning cloth, so you can keep the silver and the gemstone all nice and sparkly. Okay, so now open the fun bit, the actual jewelry. So I've got quite a big box, because in here is my bracelet, and I haven't received a bracelet yet. I've got this gorgeous necklace, rings, and also this pair of earrings, which I will change later, but yeah, I haven't got a bracelet yet. And when I saw this, I just fell in love. So let's open the bracelet. It's so pretty. So here you can see all little Moissanite gemstones. I get it out of the packaging because you can't appreciate it like this. I just love it. They have lots of different bracelets, and I thought this was such a fun design. So as you can see, it's all made of sterling silver, and as you can see in the middle, you got all these small Moissanite stones. It's just so pretty. I think it's also quite a trendy piece, because lots of people stack these kind of bracelets with other bracelets. So yeah, you can definitely wear this on its own or stacked with your other bracelet that you already have. So yeah, let's put it on so you can see it. It's adjustable, which I also love. So yeah, let's see if I can put it on by myself. Okay, so I put it on. And look at that, how pretty is that? That's so nice, I love it. So like I mentioned, you can adjust it. Look at those little stones. That's just so nice. So this is called the Fashion Moissanite Paperclip Bracelet in Sterling Silver. I will link all of the items in my description box. And if you like to purchase something, you can use my code MYPRETTY15 for 15% off. But like I mentioned, I will put everything in the description box so you can find it over there. Okay, so for the next item I need to remove my earrings that I have in right now. These are from Reach Your Heart as well. They're also studs. The one that I got are also studs as well. But these studs I received for a previous video. But the ones that I chose now are just so stunning. I went for quite a big size. So let's open them. Okay, so let's have a look at the earrings. Look at that. How gorgeous. And they are very in your face, very bold stud. Like I already mentioned, they are 2 carat each, so 4 carat in total. And they're called the Solitaire Moissanite Fashion 6 Prong Sterling Silver Studs. And yeah, I just fell in love with them. So let's put them in so you can see the size. I just love studs. Since I'm a mom, I wear mostly studs earrings because my toddler is just very wild and I don't want to risk it that he catches my earrings, and I don't know. I just love to wear studs at the moment. Look at that. They're definitely a lot bigger than the ones that I got. So yeah, I can switch it up. If I want something more bold, I can wear these. And if I want something a bit more elegant, I wear those. Oh my god, look at that. Aren't they just so pretty? And I love the shine that a moissanite stone gives. So if you're in the sun, you see like all rainbows everywhere. It's just so stunning. Look at that. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer studs or dangly earrings? I don't know. I just love studs at the moment. I know it's still early, but if you're looking for a nice Christmas present, you can't go wrong with earrings like this. Or if you want something a bit more fashionable, you can go for a bracelet like this or together. If you like to purchase one of these items or something else, you can use my code MyPretty15. I will link everything down in the description box. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!